Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to have a quick look at the game Chromium B.S.U. Now you might wonder why I want to have a look at this very old game, and to be honest, I don't think I really played this before, but let me tell you why I want to have a look at it. When I was messing around with OpenCL, I stumbled upon the game OpenClonk. And I also remembered that I had something similar with Chromium B.S.U, because probably most people know Chromium as a web browser. So with some distributions, if you do sudo apt install Chromium, then it will tell you, well, that package is not there, and you can try to install Chromium B.S.U. So yeah, I'm really wondering if anyone ever installed Chromium B.S.U and be surprised that it wasn't a web browser. So anyway, let's have a look at the game. So graphics detail high, full screen is acting a bit weird on my installation, so and this is the maximum screen size that I'm able to play at the moment. So let's start the game. I'm playing it with the keyboard. Oops. So of course the penguins are power-ups. And these skulls I think are also power-ups, but those are for your ammunition. Oops. Anyway, I guess you get the idea of the game. And yeah, just let me know in the comments if you have ever installed a package with a certain name and then you ended up with a package that you didn't expect. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.